Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW X5 engine air filter. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a new engine air filter, a Torx T25 screwdriver, and perhaps a clean cloth. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you start, for safety. The air filter housing is typically located on the passenger side of the engine bay, a large black box. Now, let's get that housing open. You'll find 8 Torx T25 screws securing the cover. Carefully unscrew all of them. Once they're loose, gently lift the cover straight up. Be mindful of any hoses or wires that might be connected to it. You don't want to pull anything too hard. Take a moment to note how the old filter is seated inside. With the cover off, you can now easily remove the old, dirty air filter. Just lift it out. Before putting in the new one, take a clean cloth and wipe out any leaves, dust, or debris that might have accumulated inside the housing. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Then, carefully place your brand new filter into the housing, making sure it sits perfectly flush. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully align the air filter housing cover and gently lower it back into place. Make sure all the tabs and clips line up correctly. Then, reinsert and tighten all 8 Torx T25 screws. Don't over-tighten them, just snug. Give everything a quick visual inspection to ensure it's all secure and properly seated. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.